shrimp and grits on deck this morning. Using my little Cajun seasoning. Put a little bit of that. Better than bouillon in those grits. Cheese. That's Judah. Say hello, Judah.
Hello.
And then we went and got some donuts from the donut spot down here. A couple of bagels. Feast. And these are my eggs made from plants. I can't really eat eggs anymore according to my doctor. There's a little hormone in there that causes people problems. So eggs for breakfast in a bottle made from plants. Not mine. Zero sugar lemonade, fake eggs, shrimp and grits. Now, this is my guilty pleasure over here. Ain't nothing good over there, but gotta have some sweets. Got my pop up.